You've done the work. The client is thrilled, but now you're stuck. How do you leverage that success without breaking non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, name dropping, or sounding vague? In this lecture, we'll cover how to turn client results into future business ethically, confidently, and strategically. Because when done right, one happy client should lead to 3 more. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to ask for testimonials even when the work is under NDA, create anonymous case studies that still sell, set up a simple, repeatable system that brings in high-trust referrals, the power of word of mouth in ghostwriting. Ghostwriting is a trust-based service. People don't hire ghostwriters off a billboard. They ask, who do you trust with your words? Referrals carry more weight than ads, samples, or even your website. Why? Because your clients are often high-profile or high-achieving people. Their word is your best marketing tool. So the question isn't, can I ask for referrals? But how do I make it easy for clients to refer me? Getting testimonials without breaking NDAs. Here's what most ghostwriters don't realize. Clients can still endorse your process even if they can't mention the project. Here's how to ask. Would you feel comfortable sharing a short testimonial about your experience working with me? No need to mention the specific project, just what stood out for you. This kind of ask makes it easy for clients to say yes. Some clients may even want to credit you, especially on LinkedIn or in a bio. Always double-check their comfort level. If they say no, thank them and keep the relationship warm. The ghost case study format. You don't need a name to tell a powerful story. Here's a format. The problem. A CEO needed to turn dense podcast interviews into compelling weekly posts. The solution. We created a system where I extracted themes, wrote 3 posts a week, and matched his voice. The outcome? His engagement tripled, and he started getting podcast invites and press requests. You just told a strong case study without naming names. Tip: use descriptors like tech founder, wellness coach, or 7-figure course creator to provide context without revealing identity. Make referrals a natural part of offboarding. When you deliver the final work, that's the moment when clients are most excited. Don't waste it. Say something simple like, if you know anyone else looking for ghostwriting support, I'd be grateful for the intro. I only take on a few clients at a time, and most of my work comes through referrals. That one line? It works. Some ghostwriters even create a short PDF or Notion page titled How to Refer Me with contact details and a one-liner about what they do. Build a simple referral engine. A few ways to keep referrals flowing. Send a quick check-in email 1 to 2 months after the project ends. Gently ask, has anyone in your circle been asking about writing support lately? Create a short testimonial plus referral request. Email template you can customize for each client. The goal isn't pressure, it's staying top of mind. Remember, happy clients want to refer you, they just need a nudge. When you can't show your work, let your clients speak for it. Referrals and testimonials can quietly build your business faster than any ad campaign if you know how to ask, when to ask, and what stories to tell.